Well, we're waking up to some warmer weather again. As soon as you step outside, you'll notice that here. As some of these winds have really kind of kept things stirred up overnight out of the southwest, and that's been dragging up some more of that warmer weather, some more humid weather as well. So it's a little bit tougher to cool off as we get into the early morning hours, and we'll make good use of that warmer start, getting back to near 90 degrees later today. But that's out ahead of this frontal boundary that we're going to be tracking as we get into this afternoon. That's going to be firing up some showers and thunderstorms here, some of which could be a little bit rowdy at times. Some gusty winds, some small hail, all possible still as we get into this afternoon. With the strongest of these, I think we're really going to be talking about maybe one or two of those that kind of gets on the strong end of that spectrum. We'll be tracking that closely. I'll show you when here as we get into the latest run of Future Track. I think we're staying dry, though, throughout the rest of this morning. It's really after about 3 and 4 o'clock that we're going to be expecting some showers and storms to bubble back up, kind of in the heat of the day like we typically expect to see some of those, but still kind of favoring 6 to 7 o'clock. If we're seeing one or two of those kind of rogue strong storms later tonight, it's going to be probably in that time frame as we get into sundown. I think we lose a lot of that intensity, or whatever intensity that we've got with some of these later on today. We'll hang on to the rain chances overnight. Again, it's going to be fairly tame, though, as we get into tomorrow morning, and then kind of pushing everything out of here pretty quickly on our Wednesday. By the afternoon, we're looking dry and actually enjoyable for once in terms of those temperatures. We're in the upper 80s today. Tomorrow, though, going to be behind the rain chances by the afternoon and only topping out in the low 80s. So a little bit of a step down getting toward the middle of this week. We step right back up, though, getting into Thursday and Friday. Back into the upper 80s we go. It's going to be about that same level of hot across Saturday and Sunday if you're going to be heading out. Maybe rooting on those Missouri Tigers. They picked a good week to have an early kickoff. Temperatures getting back into the low 90s by the afternoon.